What is up, noobs? Welcome back to my channel, Scripts. Hope you are all doing good. First of all, I really appreciate you watching this video. If you like my video, please consider subscribing, writing down a comment, and do smashing that like button. Anyways, today we'll be continuing with the GTA 5 series. As you remember from the last episode, we were introduced to a new character, that is Trevor, and it didn't start pretty well, right? Because Trevor was okay bro, so let me get this thing straight. When you first get introduced to the character Trevor, he starts up cheating with his friend's girlfriend, and when he comes to investigate about what happens, he literally kills him and he goes to find Michael Townley. And in last episode we even found Michael Townley and his daughter, and we got to know about his family. So today in this episode we'll be actually buying few supercars and modifying them, because I don't know how, but Trevor really has like 1 million in his bank. No, 1 million cash right now. So why to save it? Let's spend it. When you have spend it, dude, you don't need to wait for the proper time to spend money. So now let's go to the internet and see if they have any supercars available. Travel and transport. Bro, if you really wanna buy some good supercars, you can go to Legendary Motorsport, I guess. Yeah, you find really good cars here. Hold on. Oh, Groti Tomursira. What the hell is the name, bro? Coming with the Pegasus Vacan, it's somewhat about $240,000. Is that how you spell it? Nah, let's say it like whatever. Who the hell cares, bro? We could actually go for this car, Pegasus or SS. Oh yeah, actually you need to buy a storage facility before you could buy cars to store it, right? I almost forgot about it. Let's see if there is any storage place nearby. Is this the store? No. I guess there is no storage place nearby, dude. There are plenty of storage spaces are there, but not in the desert region, I guess. Only you get that in the city side. Hold on, let's see. Okay, after hours of research, we only found one garage that is in Los Santos City. So let's mark there and first get going there. Let's buy the garage there first, because if you don't buy the garage, no, you cannot actually book any vehicle from the internet, because it will directly get imported to your it will directly get delivered to your garage. So let's steal somebody's car. Do you have we have a lot of weapons, right? We bought a hell a lot of weapons, dude, from the last mission. Hold on. Let's find some Balika Vakra. Bro, this guy is literally carrying board, bro. Carrying board on your car is illegal, bro. At least in India. Come on, don't run, bro. Oh, this guy was calling the cops. And this girl, ma'am, please don't panic. Please don't panic, ma'am. Please. Hold on. I'm coming for your help. Is that a bike? Bike could be good, but you'll get exposed, bro. That's the only problem. Cops can shoot you very easily. However, we are going to the place where we need to go. Oh my god. Okay, hold on. Let me find some good cover. Bro, shit. I guess we are clear now. I guess we are clear. Hold on. Let me just hide from these bastards. Dude, the only thing is the cops will start following you no matter wherever you are in GTA 5. Look, they're gonna come here to searching. Said you so. See the map, bro. They have aimbot. It feels like they have aimbot. They can literally see you. Oh my god. Yeah, there is this idiot here, right here. I guess he saw me. You saw me? No, I don't think so. This guy's such an idiot. Yeah, we are clear now. There are no cops behind us. Okay, so as I was telling, I was literally hiding there and this dude couldn't even see me. Sometimes these guys are shit and sometimes these guys are like God. But when you get 4-star wanted level, no, it's pretty hard to get rid of because you'll get a helicopter on you. Okay guys, after a long fighting with the cops, we are finally here to buy our own garage where we can store our cars. Why the hell is this idiot coming this side, bro? What the hell is wrong with that guy? Hold on, let me shoot him also. People don't deserve to live when they can't follow traffic rules. Like me. Hold on, I don't want cops again behind me. Let me just keep my gun in. Let's see what's the price of this mansion. For sale. How much? 30k for this. Hold on, okay, let's buy it. Yeah bro, hold on, I'm gonna buy it. Yeah, confirm purchase, dude. Not bad, bro. Garage is pretty big. We can store, I guess, some 3 cars and 2 bikes. Ah, bro, we can easily store 3 cars and 2 bikes. And you got a little workstation there, in case if you are in upgrading mode. Yeah, let's keep autosave turned on. Now we have 9 lakhs. I mean, yeah, if you convert it to Indian rupees, we almost have 9 lakh 30k in our account. Now we can almost get some like 2 cars with that money. Yeah bro, garage is like really big. Yeah, it is big. Phew! After having a long quarrel with the cops, fighting and etc., finally we are free now. And first let's go to our phone and see what cars are available. Travel and transport, legendary motorsports. Let's see some good car, dude. I really want to buy all these 3, bro. Part of, oh what the hell, I don't even remember what. Oh, they have a McLaren GT. Wow, bro, that's cool. Hold on. Let's buy the cheapest one. Let's buy this. Let's make it red, bro. Let's make it red.
Man, I love the internet.
Okay. Now let's go back. Legendary Motorsports. Which is the second car? Where is it? Oh yeah, this one. Let's get this thing in black color.
Nothing like mindless consumerism to fill the void.
And let's come back to, I guess we're out of funds. We can't buy any more. At least we could buy a bike, dude. Where is the bike? Yeah, the bike's here. Could buy a bike though.
Come to Uncle T.
Good one, bro. Now let's take this to Benny's work. Oh no, what do you call the upgrade center? What do you call the upgrade center? Hold on. Let me see. What do you call the upgrade center, dude? I'm really excited for this, dude. Oh, damn, bro. Look at this car. Bro, this thing looks so good, dude. And look at the bike too, bro. It's like fully carbon coated. And this car also looks so good. Okay, so first let's take the bike to Los Santos Custom and get it upgraded. Actually, Trevor never had $1 million. He had somewhere around 240,000 in his account. So I actually rigged that money in GTA 5 stock market. So if you don't know by any chance, GTA 5 has a stock market. So I started to rig the money there and got my money back as a double. So from that, not as a double, like I got a huge price from stock market actually. I've seen people, what they do is that you know, they kind of start making money and start buying bikes through stock market, and they make that as their money making source. I've seen even people do that in online. So for online you have something called Bossack. Hold on, let me just mark it quickly. Let me just mark the place. Benny's Motorwork, right? I'm not able to find the place, I don't know for what reason. I guess you have to take a right turn here if I'm not wrong. Yeah, there it is. Jeez, that was close one, dude. If the guy would have hit me, I would have killed that guy. Hope it's not closed.
What's wrong with her now?
Hold on, let's upgrade it. Repair vehicle, okay. Armor, oh, you can even get armor on the bikes. That's cool, bro. Let's get 80% armor because 10% is locked for us. Brakes, no. Brakes, sports brakes, and engine. We'll tune it to level 3. Horn, no need of horn. Lights, headlights. Let's go for neon headlights, right? Yeah, this looks good. And plate, let's get it black. Yeah, it looks good. Black looks good. And transmission, let's go for race transmission. Turbo, yeah, let's get it turbo tune. Wheels, oh, you can even customize wheels, is it? Hold on, wheel type, front wheel. This looks good. No, hold on, I guess the stock one looks way more better, dude. Stock one looks way more better. Let's not change it. Tire design. Oh, sorry. Tire enhancement. Oh, you can even make the tire bulletproof, dude. Damn. Now I can ram over uncle and aunties in GTA 5. And I don't get shot by cops. What the hell am I even saying, dude? Let's get black. Oh no, hold on. Let's get orange. No, orange goes good, I guess. No, let's get red tire smoke. Oh my god, bro, red is locked. Why are things locked, dude? Like every other color is unlocked except for red. Will orange look good on my bike? I don't know, bro. Parrot tire. Okay, Patriot tire smoke. I guess I should go with orange itself. Or let's go with blue, bro. Let's go with blue. Okay. I guess that's it. We are done. Can't you respray it? No, you can't respray it because it's fully carbon, right? Yeah. Now let's take this baby on a test drive and see how this thing performs. Hold on. Let's do the burnout. Damn, dude, look at those smokes. Sheesh. Bro, look at this door. No, just keep looking at this door, okay? It's so confused, bro. It's like, bro, are you gonna come in or no? Hold on, let me just stop the radio real quick. Nah, bro. Can you pop wheelies in this bike? Yeah, I guess you can. How do you pop wheelies, bro? Oh, yeah. Now I remember. You just press the numpad 2 key and you do the wheelie. Bro, this thing is so fast, bro, and it's so sharp to control. Like, you don't miss things. This thing is like smooth as butter, bro. 175, that's all? No, bro, no. I literally just got it done, dude. And hold on, why? See, he's running now. Hold on, let's shoot this guy. Let's shoot this bastard. Bro, do you think you literally can run away? Bro, the armor really works way too good, bro. I literally have got no damage on my bikes. Look at it. It's like new as fuck. And why are cops behind me? Yeah, I killed him, right? Yeah, I killed him. Let's keep these bikes in our home. No. Oh, you're not Michael, right? I actually forgot. Hold on. Let's go back to the place. Guys, shall we tease cops?
Lucky miss!
Shall we tease the cops? Come on. Let's tease the cops. Ah, shit! No! What happened to my bike, bro? I'm such an idiot. I shouldn't have done that. My sixth sense told me not to do that, but still, like an idiot, I just rammed over that car, dude. I lost my bike. Sheesh, bro. No, hold on. I guess it would be there in my garage, I guess. Hold on. Let's see if it's there.
A few moments later.
Yeah, I lost that bike. Sheesh, bro. Let me order a new one. Bro, this thing made me piss so much, dude. Let me order a new one. I have to get it upgraded again, bro. Travel and transport, legendary motorsports, Nagasaki, Carbon X, right?
Man, I love the internet. Porn and retail.
Did you hear what he said? Man, I love the internet, porn and retake. Yeah, here is the bike. Bro, can you even claim ownership on the bikes? I don't know. Can you claim ownership on bikes? Bro, stop this shit ass music, bro. It really doesn't make any sense.
2,000 years later.
Okay, let's not waste any time and get other car upgraded too. Hold on. Let's store this bike. Okay, now let's take this car and take it to Los Santos Custom and get it upgraded. Okay, now let's go to Los Santos Custom and get it upgraded. Bro, just listen to the sound of this car, bro. It's like so intense. It's like a proper supercar. Ah, bro, shit. Anyways, I'll get it up repaired, right? So, no worries. Let me mark Los Santos Custom first. Where does it even come, dude? So, okay, guys, now we are here in Los Santos Customs. Now, let's get this car upgraded, bro. Is it closed? No, it's open.
What brings you in today?
Oh, we already broke a headlight. Congratulations. Repair the body. Armor, let's get 80%. Brakes, sports, engine, level 3 exhaust. Damn, bro. Let's get a race exhaust. Horn lights. Can you get neon lights? Neon layout. Let's get all 4 sides. Neon color. Hold on, bro. Let's see what color suits my car. I guess this suits damn good. Or is this? Hold on. Which one suits well, guys? Red? I guess purple suits well. Purple suits a bit well. Or black light. I'm confused with the blue. Nah, blue doesn't look good. Green neither. Red, no, it's like, I guess I'll go with the purple one. And plate, let's get a blue plate. Respray, primary, classic. Hold on. What would look like? What would suit my smoke, guys? Bro, I want a color that suits my smoke because that would actually look very dope. This? Nah, it looks like shit. Dark blue actually looks good. Blue. Diamond blue, surf blue. I guess this looks good. And let's go for secondary. Metallic. Bro, this one looks good too. Hold on, let me show you. This one looks good too, bro. Hold on. Bro, I actually love this pattern. Look at this. It looks so good. I'm going with red, bro. Candy red. And coming to the roof, let's get it. Yeah, let's get the roof painted. No. Spoilers. Damn, bro. The spoilers are way too psych on this car. This looks good. Suspension, let's make it sports suspension. Transmission, race. Turbo tuning. Wheels color. Oh, hold on. Wheel type, let's go for a high-end type. This looks dope. I'm going with this. Wheel color. Bro, you kidding me, dude? Hold on. Bro, this thing looks so psych, dude. I guess red suits well, bro. Hold on. Red suits really well. Bro, even gold suits well, dude. Actually, gold suits well too. Hold on. This is gold? No, this is gold. Bright orange suits well too, right? I don't know. Yeah, it suits well, dude. Look at it, man. I guess red suits even more. Look. I guess let's go for bright orange. This looks damn dope, bro. Tire design. Oh no, let's get tire enhancement. Tire smoke. Let's get it red. Yeah, let's get red tire smoke. Bro, why is red locked, dude? I'm so confused now. Windows, let's get it like fully dark. Dark smoke is enough. Pretty much that's it. That's it, I guess. Bro, look at the car, dude. Dude, look at this thing, man. Bro, I mean, like, look at this thing, dude. Bro, I am in love with this car, dude. Let's go for a test drive. Bro, this thing literally pulls. Just listen to the turbo, bro. Every time you pull this vehicle, it releases the turbo gas. You hear that hissing noise? That's the turbo gas. Hey, bro, no! No! I'm such a stupid idiot, dude. Hold on. Now I have to go back to that idiot and get it replaced again. Let's go. No. Let's go to Los Santos Custom and get it repaired again.
2,000 years later.
Okay, now let's be very careful. Let's be very, very careful. This thing is way too powerful to handle. Let's take it to some empty stretch. I guess this is a very good stretch. Yeah, it is. Hold on. 3, 2, 1. Bro, this thing is so psych, bro. This thing is like literally pulls, bro. And the control is really good, but I'm not able to control it. That's the problem. No, 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 not again, dude. Not again, not again. Let's go to that. No, no. I'll replace this thing later. I'll get it repaired later. Hold on. I'll get it repaired later. I'll get this thing repaired later. So, okay, guys, our garage is somewhere here near. And we are almost near it. Yeah, here the garage. Here it is the garage. Let's park this thing very carefully inside. Hold on. Let me just take it on. Let's park it inside, bro. Bro, this thing looks so dope. Like at the top angle. Like with boss. Yeah. Bro, just look at the combination, dude. This thing looks so dope. Let's get this car. Let's get. Oh, no. Not this one. Hold on. Let's take this car to Los Santos Custom and let's get it upgraded. Let me just stop the music. Musics are sometimes annoying, bro. I really hate GDFM music. Hold on, let me just mark the place real quick.
A few moments later.
Where is it, bro? Yeah, it's right there. Bro, look at this car, dude. This car is so good. While going, let's steal the car and go. Lol, I already damaged this car, bro. Let's repair the vehicle. Let's get armor up to 80 because that's the only awkaat of ours. Roll cage is required? No, I don't think so, bro. Roll cage is not required. Nah, roll cage is not required. Brakes, yes. Engine, level 3, exhaust. Dual. Oh, hold on. This thing looks good. Hood, let's keep it carbon. And horn, no. Lights, neon layout, all the place, neon kit. Which one looks good on this, bruh? What pattern should we keep for this one? Let's keep orange and red for this one, dude.
2,000 years later.
Bro, look at those neon lights. It's like full. I hope I don't crash it at the first right. Bro, actually this neon lights look so cool, bro. Close one. Shit. No. Thank God my car is not damaged because of the 80% armor. Hold on. 3. Oh, this is a very good stretch actually. Hold on. Let's go to the starting of the road. Let's try to stretch this thing. Yeah, from here. I hope it doesn't touch the tree. I didn't. 3, 2, 1, let's go! Nah, bro, this thing is not as much fun as the car which we sprayed with blue and red. That thing like pulls next level, bro. But anyways, this car looks like good. Not bad, good. Okay guys, so now let's keep this car in the garage back because I don't want to lose this car like how I did to my Nagasaki. Hold on, let me just mark my garage real quick. Here. Okay, so now let's going there. I guess we are near to the garage somewhere. Yeah, we are near to it. Anyways guys, I'm about to end this video. Hope you all enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed my video, please consider liking, subscribing and do smashing that comment. What the hell did I even say? Okay guys, that's it for today. Hope you all enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed my video, please consider subscribing, writing down a comment and do smashing that like button. Let's keep 25 like aim for this video. Until next time, bye bye, stay safe, play games.